How to stop iPhone from listening to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to stop your iPhone from listening to you. If you are concerned about a microphone being active when you don't want it to be, you're in the right place. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is look for the orange dot at the top of the screen. You can see the orange dot in my screen in the top right because I am currently using my microphone to record this video. However, if it is turned on when you're not doing anything, then you might need to turn it off. So just swipe down from the top right, and then you can see the system option, tap on it, and then you can see uh, which app is using your microphone. So this is a crucial step to ensure your privacy. Then let's head over to settings, then go to Siri, and then here you can adjust a few settings to make your microphone isn't active when you don't want it to be. So scroll down, and then you can see Siri app access. So tap on apps, and then if there are some apps which you don't want Siri to have access to, then you can just tap on it, and then uh, you can toggle it off. So these are some of the steps that you can follow to take control of your privacy. Another one is you can come back, and then you can scroll down, go to apps, and now again search for the app that you don't want it to have your microphone access. Tap on it, and then you can see the microphone option. You can just toggle it off. So you can do this for all the apps that you don't want to give microphone access to. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.